Alright, that was good. Storm.
You better switch seats then, buddy.
Right. It was nice hearing the rain on hitting the roof. I better not open my window when I get home, because if I do, it would probably flood my room or ruin the stuff and get water damage. I hope I'll get better tomorrow.
Well, I hope so too. You know why? Tomorrow's Friday. You don't want to be sick at home on Saturday.
I don't want to be sick on the weekend either.
Yeah, because if you're sick on the weekend, you can't play with your computer or anything.
Yeah, I can. Nice try, Mr. Dave.
Irene. Yeah, I know what you're gonna say.
I was gonna I was almost gonna say Mr. Roach too at the same time. Whew. You know what would have been really cool? I wish we could stay on the other side of the freeway or move there.
Why is that?
Because it's a lot easier getting home.
Oh yeah, I know. I'm hoping it's not flooded down here on the bottom.
Why?
We might have to swim.
It's pouring right now. It's raining hard. I hope it doesn't flood. Of how hard it's raining. I'm seriously leaving my window closed because I don't want water to get in and get all my things water damaged.
Yeah, you better be careful.
And I don't want to leave out the I don't want the hot air to go out of the house. For those people that are working on that hill are probably gonna get soaked. I just seen a truck.
They're not even working today. They're letting it rain.
Is that a road down there?
Yeah.
They must have made that road.
Yeah.
Let's just hope it doesn't flood, because that would be bad. But hey, I'm at least up on the hill. What kind of car is this? Oh. It's a Chevy. Like I said, it's gonna rain for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Maybe I got sick because of the cold weather. I hear like big raindrops hitting the top of the roof. Now it's pouring. Yeah, I'm leaving my window closed for sure.
Yeah.
But hey, at least all of our vehicles are getting washed.
Yeah.
And getting more dirty. When was the last time you washed this bus?
About a week ago.
Oh, now it's dirty again.
Oh, I know it. I'm gonna have to wash it again.
And if you wash it again, it'll rain again.
Probably.
I hope it rains right on your bus to make it dirty again. Wonder how hard it's raining in St. George. That's where Mr. Eyring and Mr. Roach lives.
Probably gonna have they might even get snow going through the gorge.
They already got snow, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, because I've looked at the weather and it shows snow for St. George. My cousin in Fairwind's probably getting snow. I'm surprised that that those houses over there hadn't, yeah, that water damage yet.
Yeah, that's true. Jason, I don't know, you got your umbrella?
Yes, I do, and I'm gonna open it right soon.
Yeah. You're gonna need it.
My shoes are probably gonna be wet, so I don't want to. So I hope I won't slip on a hard tile.
Yeah, you better be careful. Make sure it's soggy.
Yes? I'm getting soaked. My phone's all wet.